use loop components in your Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can use loop components to collaborate and share information in Microsoft Teams. So loop components are basically a Microsoft product which is usually included in your teams if you have an enterprise or an organization pack involved. But if you're using a free plan like me, then you can also use the loop component, and I will guide you how you can do that. So in order to use loop, you can navigate to this particular site which I'll be showing here, that is loop.cloud.microsoft. And from here you can log in using your Microsoft Teams account, and then you can create a new loop. So to create a new loop, simply click onto this create new button, and from here you can choose a page. Now from here you can give it any particular title. Let's say I have given it a title, and you can also type in random text as well. So once you have completed making up your loop, you can also make it in a form of a table or anything else. Then you can easily share this loop component by clicking onto this option, that is copy as loop component. And once it gets copied, you can allow it from here and it will be successfully copied. So you can also copy this loop component and share it as well. So from here you can click on to share, and you can share it as workspace, page, link, or loop component like before. So once you have successfully copied the link, you can go back to your Microsoft Teams and you can paste it on any particular chat and then send it. And once you will do this, they will see this particular untitled dot loop option, and whenever they will click onto this, they will be redirected to this loop that you have created. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.